Thanks for joining us as we wander about the world to experience 105 places. We are excited to announce the places our next series of videos will take us. In 2010, we were individually challenged by our business mentor as a mindset motivator to create a list of 100 places we wanted to go, 100 things we wanted to have, and 100 things we wanted to do. Well, while creating that list, we discovered that we were not motivated to go to work by things. It was experiences. 7 years later, we got married and made a commitment to experience as many of those places and adventures as we could together. That is where 105 places and always be vacationing came to be common mottos in our home. Always be vacationing is the phrase we use in conjunction with business planning. We use our vacations as bookends or structure to create mini cycles in our business. It helps us stay motivated and focused while home. We notice that we work smarter, we stay more healthy, we are more money disciplined when we have a countdown to the next adventure and place. 105 places is that list of places and things to do or experience combined. These are the adventures we share here on our YouTube channel. Each cruise ship we explore is a place, and each port another place. We also love to combine land and cruise when possible. It isn't just about cruising. We travel for work and spend a bit of extra time exploring the forced places when possible. Years ago, we purchased a timeshare that allows us to enjoy land vacations near and far with family. We also share a few of our local places. We live in beautiful Utah, USA. Although we haven't captured a ton of Utah for the purpose of sharing in the past, we promise to give it to you in the future. After all, that gives us an excuse to go out and re-adventure close to home. As you can see, we have a lot to offer. Our business is not in travel. Travel is our passion. We have a lot of ground to cover, so let's get to it. Our next series is Harmony of the Seas in the Mediterranean. If you guessed Harmony of the Seas, you got it. We spent the sea portion of our honeymoon on Harmony of the Seas, and it was a great time, all except for the quarantine issue, which is a different video. We fly into Barcelona and spend a couple of days exploring the city. Rod speaks fluent Spanish, having lived in the Canary Islands for 2 years, and we're excited to let him explore a different part of Spain. Next, we port in Palma de Mallorca, Spain. The time spent in this lovely port was extended until 8 p.m. when Royal Caribbean canceled our stop in Marseille, France. We have a hop-on, hop-off city bus pass and are looking for a day full of exploration. The next place we'll bring experiences to you is from Spezia, Italy. Upon a recommendation from Ian, who is from the US and lived in Italy for a couple of years, we booked a private boat cruise to Cinque Terre, a remote region known for villages in the cliffs. We stop at Vernazza, Monte Rosa al Mare, and Portovenere. We're looking forward to an authentic Italian lunch overlooking the sea. Ian told us Cinque Terre was not to be missed, so let's see if he is correct. Our next place is Rome, which is an hour-and-a-half drive from the port of Civitavecchia. We're not looking forward to the coach ride and would have booked our own transportation to Rome if Royal Caribbean had not required that we use their approved excursions in Italy. In Rome, we will hit the tourist traps of the Colosseum, the Forum, Trevi Fountain, St. Peter's Basilica, What we are looking forward to the most is the Roman lunch and time to explore on our own. We so love freedom to go at our own pace. The next port is Naples, Italy. At the behest of Ian, we will explore 2 more of his must-sees in Italy. We'll be allowed to wander the streets of Amalfi on a guided tour. Okay, so that's not so much allowed to wander the streets. But then we get to hop in a boat to cruise the Amalfi Coast. After an afternoon of exploration, we'll head over to Pompeii for some ancient Roman history. I've always been fascinated by Pompeii as I grew up in an area littered with volcanoes. We will round out the Mediterranean cruise with another day in Barcelona before jetting back to the States to create content to share with you. We are truly honored that you're here and strive to create something worthy of your time. Thanks so much for tuning in to our next adventure on Harmony of the Seas.